Hi, this is Bill King with Water Online, reporting live from WEFTEC 2012. We're over here at the Xylem booth, and I'm with Bob Domkowski, the Business Development Manager with Flygt Transport Pumping. Bob, thanks for having us today.
Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure.
And Bob's going to tell us a little bit about the new Flygt Slimline product. So, Bob, could you tell us a little bit about, why the Slimline product? What brought this to market?
Flygt found a market niche. There's a market area demand for smaller, more compact, yet high-performing propeller pumps. And the engineers came up with a development program for a program of pumps that go from the area of about 4,000 gallons a minute to about 20,000 gallons a minute of flow. Very important fields for wastewater treatment plants, process pumping, maybe effluent pumping, smaller stormwater stations, and this fits the bill perfectly for that.
Great. And can you tell us a little bit about the design and maybe a little bit more about some of the customer benefits?
Certainly. It is extremely compact, as you can see. This is actually a full-size machine of the middle range. And one of the benefits is that it fits in a much smaller pump column or pump tube. This would sit inside of a tube, discharge water upwards. And the civil works of a station is dependent upon the size of the tube. If the tube was 1 times D, the station channel would be 2D. If that D or pump tube is smaller, your entire station is smaller. And in this case, your average is about 15 to 20% smaller station, smaller civil works charges, a more economical station to construct.
You said so it's a 20% size reduction in terms of the pump station?
The average is about 20%. There are as many as 30 to 40% smaller footprint because the station width has been reduced based upon a smaller pump diameter.
Great. And what differentiates the Slimline electrical submersible motor from some of the other products that are on the market right now?
There's actually 2 choices of motor. There's a standard high efficiency pump motor that Flygt provides, but also we do have motors available that are premium efficiency, IE3 rated, so that you have not only premium efficiency hydraulic end, premium efficiency motor end, which gives you the best wire-to-water efficiency available on the market.
Great. And how's this product applied? Like, what kind of pumping applications can you use the Slimline for?
These are generally applied, as I said a little earlier, wastewater treatment plants for return activated sludge, BNR, biological nutrient reduction systems, and these are systems that run 24/7 at a treatment plant. So if they're running all day long, it's a great opportunity to save energy with a much more efficient product. Even amusement park rides, people don't think of that, but most of the rides in amusement parks utilize electric submersible pumps, and a majority are Flygt. So when you're riding on the rides, enjoy Flygt and think of that's who's giving you the ride and staying cool.
Well, that's very interesting. Well, Bob, thanks very much for having us.
Well, thank you.
Telling us a little bit about the Slimline.